Sonnet 5 just dropped, and this is not a small update. This is the release that actually changes how AI fits into a business, not just how it answers questions. Let me show you exactly what's confirmed, what it can actually do right now, and why this matters way more than most people realize. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team and it will give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So here's what actually happened. Anthropic released Claude Sonnet 5 on June 30th, and they're calling it their most agentic model to date. That word agentic is the one you actually need to understand here because it's the whole story. It means the model doesn't just answer a question and stop. It makes a plan, takes action, uses tools like browsers and terminals, checks its own work along the way, and keeps going until the task is actually finished. Anthropic themselves said this model can now run autonomously at a level that just a few months ago required their biggest and most expensive model to pull off. Sit with that for a second. Capability that used to require the top tier most expensive model is now sitting on the free and pro plans. That's the actual shift happening right now, not just a spec bump on a benchmark chart. Let's break down what that actually looks like in practice, because agentic gets thrown around a lot without people explaining it properly. The old way of using AI was simple. You ask a question, you get an answer, you copy it somewhere, and then you go do the actual work yourself. The new way is different. You give the model an objective, and it figures out the steps on its own, executes them, checks the results, fixes its own mistakes along the way, and by the time you come back, the work is actually done. There's a real example worth mentioning here. One company gave Claude Sonnet 5 a two-part task, updating account records in one system and then sending out a related announcement in a completely separate system. Two different tasks, two different platforms, no manual handoff in between. The model completed both from start to finish without stopping or asking for help halfway through. According to the company, that exact workflow used to stall partway through when they tried it with older tools. Now it just finishes. Now, let's look at the actual benchmark numbers because they back up what's being claimed here. On agentic coding tasks, Sonnet 5 scored 63.2%. The previous Sonnet model scored 58.1%. And Anthropic's biggest, most expensive model scored 69.2%. So Sonnet 5 is sitting just below the flagship model, but on a significantly lower price tier, which is a meaningful gap to close. Here's the part that actually matters most for business use though. On knowledge work specifically, the kind of tasks that matter most day to day for running a business, Sonnet 5 slightly outperforms that top tier flagship model. The mid-tier model is beating the top-tier model on the exact category of work most people actually use AI for. And it's now the default model on the free and pro plans, which means if you're already using Claude, you're likely using this model right now without even realizing it changed. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Here's something worth knowing that doesn't get talked about as much. Sonnet 5 reportedly checks its own output without being explicitly told to. Early testers have described it finishing complex multi-step tasks where older models would typically stop short and hand things back incomplete, and it double-checks its own work along the way, without needing a prompt to do so. People building real tools on top of this have echoed the same thing. One product lead described it as reasoning in tighter steps and getting to useful answers noticeably faster than before. Someone building AI tools for the legal industry specifically pointed to the biggest gains showing up in research and analysis work. Different people, different industries, same pattern showing up, better follow through, fewer stalls, less manual back and forth needed to get a finished result. So, what does this actually look like in practice? Think about the repetitive tasks that eat up time every single week: research, competitor analysis, content planning, writing sequences of emails, building out reports. The difference now is you can hand an objective to the model instead of a single question, and it works through the entire thing on its own. As an example, you could give it a prompt like research our main competitors, identify the biggest content gaps, write out a list of video ideas targeting a specific audience, then draft a full welcome email sequence for new members, and it doesn't just spit out a list and stop there. It researches, it plans, it writes, it checks that everything stays consistent across the pieces, and it keeps going until the whole thing is done. That used to require an actual team working across multiple days. Now it's a single, well structured prompt. There's one more piece worth mentioning, and it's the context window. Sonnet 5 supports up to 1 million tokens, which means you can feed it an enormous amount of information in a single session: your entire business history, customer conversations, internal documents, everything. And then ask it a specific question. It processes all of that together instead of working off a small, isolated slice of information. That's a meaningfully different type of output than what you'd get from a model working with limited context. Zoom out for a second and look at the actual progression here. We've gone from AI that simply answers questions to AI that follows detailed instructions to AI that now plans and executes multi-step work entirely on its own. That entire progression has happened in just a few years, and the most capable agentic version of it right now is sitting on the free tier. And this isn't happening in isolation either. The whole model lineup is moving up together: a mid-tier model that now performs close to flagship level on business tasks, a top-tier model above it, and an even more powerful model sitting at the very top for the hardest tasks. The real question isn't whether AI agents are going to become part of how businesses operate day to day. That's already happening right now. The real question is whether you're going to be someone who actually knows how to use them properly, or someone still doing everything manually while everyone else moves past you. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free, and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.